Hello my dear student, welcome back in GK. Now we are going to start UT2. Here I have written syllabus. There are 2 units in the UT2. Unit 1 is natural environment, and under this unit there are 4 chapters. Let us check the pollution. Next, are Earth a wonderful planet? Next, natural disaster, and the next, biodegradable and non-biodegradable. Next unit is around the world, and under this unit there are 3 chapters: great monuments, interesting world, and first in the world. And today we will study about, let's check the pollution. So my dear student, open your book. Let us check pollution. Okay. See here, first of all we should know what is pollution. Okay. Pollution means when harmful material or harmful substances added in our environment. See here, adding something to the environment that is harmful or poisonous is called pollution, and this is the definition of pollution. Okay, there are different types of pollution like air, water, soil, noise, etc. It is our duty to control or check the pollution. Beta, here 2 questions arises. What is pollution? And you have to write, adding something to the environment that is harmful or poisonous is called pollution. And next is, name different types of pollution. You can write, there are different types of pollution like air, water, soil, noise, etc. And whose duty to control or check the pollution? It's our duty. Okay. Now see here, let's learn some environmental terms by doing filling the blank exercise. See number 1, careful use and protection of nature is called conservation. But as a question also it can come in the exam, what is conservation, and you have to learn as a answer also. Careful use and protection of nature is called conservation. You have to learn in both the way, in as a fill up also and as a question answer also. See number 2, pollution is the process of making air, water, soil, etc. dirty. Number 3, ozone is a form of oxygen that is found high up in the atmosphere. It protects life on the earth from the harmful sun's ultraviolet rays. In the short form we say UV rays. Okay, that ozone layer protects us from the UV rays. Okay. Number 4, pesticides are chemicals. Pesticides are chemicals used to control pests, means worms who eat leaves. Okay, our crops eats. Then farmers are using pesticides to save the crops. Too much of it can poison the food supply and environment. Okay, that is pesticides. These chemicals are also harmful for human being. Number 5, the discharges of heated water into the water system which can harm plants and animals is called thermal pollution. What is thermal pollution? And you have to learn the answer, this answer. Okay, as a fill up, as a question answer also it can come. Next is oil spill. Okay beta, when there is a leakage of oil in the sea by ship. Okay. Oil spill is the accidental discharge of petroleum into the sea. It causes serious damage to aquatic life. Aquatic life means that animals lives in a sea. Okay. Number 7, greenhouse effect. What will come here? Greenhouse effect. What is greenhouse effect? As a question you have to learn. Greenhouse effect is the warming of the Earth's surface and atmosphere caused by certain gases. Certain gases, carbon dioxide like, that trap heat from the sun. Okay, what is a greenhouse effect? Greenhouse effect is the warming of the Earth's surface and atmosphere caused by certain gases that traps heat from the sun. Okay. Number 8, recycles. Recycle will come here. Recycle means to treat things that have already been used so that they can be used again. Recycles. Okay. What do you mean by recycles? For this question you have to learn this answer. Okay. Now see the next, value waste on this page. We should keep our surrounding neat and clean. As a fill up it can come. We should keep our surrounding dash and dash, and the answer is neat and clean. And the next is, a clean surroundings keeps us healthy and fit. And question I have written here, why should we keep our surrounding clean? To stay healthy and fit. Or a clean surrounding keeps us healthy and fit. So my dear student, you have to learn this chapter properly. Okay beta, bye.